Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup. Making a delicious and healthy vegetable soup is simpler than you might think. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, focusing on a colorful mix of vegetables. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite chopped veggies, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Don't forget your essential herbs and spices to build a rich flavor profile. Let's get cooking. Now that our ingredients are prepped, let's get them into the pot. First, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they start to soften and become fragrant. This step builds a foundational flavor for your soup. Next, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Stir everything together gently. With all the main ingredients in, it's time to let the flavors meld. Bring your soup to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Now, add any remaining vegetables you want to keep a bit firmer, along with your chosen herbs and spices like a bay leaf and a pinch of thyme. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. This slow cook develops a rich, comforting taste. Your delicious homemade vegetable soup is now ready to enjoy. Carefully ladle the hot soup into bowls, and for a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped fresh parsley. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread or a light side salad. This soup is perfect for a cozy meal or as a healthy lunch option. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.